Hello, and welcome to the next episode of C++ for Newbs. Okay, Carter, today we're going to work on our third little program.
Yeah.
And we're going to first make a spot for it. Just like we did the last couple. And let's go and open it. Okay, today we're going to bring together some of the things we learned about already. And we're going to introduce something new. First, let's include IOStream because we plan on doing some input and some output. Remember what I was telling you about how main is a special function that every program has to have?
Yeah.
Do you remember why?
No, forgot.
Because it's where the program starts.
Oh.
You remember?
Yeah, no.
This is where your program starts running. Okay. So, we looked at how to declare a variable and how to assign a variable. And we looked at how to print and how to print variables earlier. So now let's look at reading data from the keyboard into variables. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with a variable called age. And when I declare it, I'm going to say int age.
Yeah.
So it's of type integer, and it's called age, and originally it has a value of 0. Get it? Okay, now I'm going to say, I want to do this. Using standard out, or using standard, sorry. Do you remember what that does? It makes it so that you don't have to put standard : in front of everything that you're using that comes from the standard namespace. Okay, let's do this first. How old are you? Question mark. Now, let's compile this and see what it does. I gotta put using namespace standard. Okay. How old are you?
9. 9.
Okay, so let's say 9. Actually, I didn't do anything cool with that. Let's change this. Let's do this. See out. You have been alive for age times 12 oops, how'd that happen? Oh, my touchpad did that to me. Let me widen this window a little bit so you can see the whole line. And we'll compile it. keeps typing count. Okay. How old are you? 9. You have been alive for 108 months.
Wow.
So, check this out, Carter. The first line right here, I declare a variable called age, and I initially set it to 0. Then I print out a message that says, how old are you?
Yeah.
And then I do a cin into the age variable.
Yeah.
And basically that causes the program to read from the keyboard until you hit enter. And then because the age is an integer, it converts what you typed into an integer and then stores it in the integer. And then the next line, see out, what this does is it first prints you have been alive for space. Then we print age times 12. Age times 12, age is an integer, 12 is an integer, age times 12 is an integer. So then it figures out what age times 12 is and prints that. And then it prints space, months, period. And then it prints the end of line. So you get, how old are you? 9. You've been alive for 108 months.
Yeah.
Well, you could do that again. You could say age. This will be interesting. Age times 12 times 24.
You should do seconds.
That would be awesome, doing seconds last.
How old are you? 9. You've been alive for 2,592 hours.
Yeah, let's try doing seconds. Imagine if you if you made it down to the nanosecond.
Okay, so then times 60 would be minutes, right?
Yeah.
And then times another 60 would be seconds, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's change this. It says seconds. You have been alive for 9,331,200 seconds. And a couple more while I was saying that. Now let's see what it is for me.
Actually, that's not even my full age because I'm older than 9. It's like 9.5.
Yeah. Maybe eventually we'll write a program that figures out for your full age. But look, there's me.
Huh.
What is that? For 40,435,000. That's a lot of seconds. Okay.
It's more than that because you only put in your age.
Okay, so that has been printing stuff out and reading stuff in. And I think next episode we'll start working on if statements. And when we get if statements and probably loops, then we can start making simple text-based games, which will be interesting.
Yeah.
Thanks.
But we won't have any graphics by then.
Well, not for a while, but eventually. Okay, thanks for watching.